How to fix a cyclic redundancy check error in Windows 10. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your file explorer and then go to the disk or the file folder that you want to fix the error of. Simply right click on it and then go to properties. Now this tab will appear over here. Go to tools and then in this error checking section simply tap on check. Now go for scan drive. Wait for it to scan and it will tell you what the problem is and also give you the possible fix the problem. The next method is go to your command prompt and then open it as an administrator. Simply use this command, that is CHKDSK, and then enter the folder or the disk that you want to check the issue of, and then it will automatically give you issues as well as the solutions for it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.